Very good morning, children. How are you all? Doing good? Yes. Had your breakfast? Very good. Then you are energetic, right? Then we will start. Why wasting time, right, children? Yes, we will start. Tell me what is the date today? Today the date is 18th. We are in October month. Year is 2021. Today it is Monday. Yes, Monday. You have? Yes, English. Yes, let us see the thought for the day. Okay? Yes. Life is a question and how we live it is our answer. Yes, what is the question, children? Life only is question. Right? We don't know what happen in future. That is the question mark, right? How we are living only, the future will be for us, right? So our living is the answer for us, right? Yes. Shall we start, children? Yes. Then take out your English textbook part 1. Yes. Then we have been completed the poem, right? Yes. Shall we revise the poem once again? Yes. Open page number 28 and listen carefully. Boat sails on the rivers and ships sails on the seas, but clouds that sail across the sky are prettier than these. These bridges on the rivers as pretty as you please, but the boat that bridges heaven and overtops the trees and builds a road from earth to sky is prettier for than these. This is written by Christiana Rossetti. The poet is Christiana Rossetti. Yes? Yes. Today we will start the exercise 2. Yes, we completed the meanings also, right, children? Exercise 2, literature comprehension. What is the title of the poem and who is the poet? What is the title of the poem? What is the title of the poem? Title is the Rainbow. The title, correct? Who is the poet? Just now I told you, Christiana Rossetti, right? Yes. I'll write the answer on the board. Copy down, children. In page number 29. The title. Yes. The title. Sorry, children. Yes. Title of the poem The Rainbow. The Rainbow. And the poet is, who is the poet? Christiana Rossetti. Christiana. Christiana Rossetti. Christiana Rossetti. Second question. What is the second question? What are prettier than sailing boats and ships? What are prettier than sailing boats and ships? Yes, rainbows. Correct. Yes, rainbows are. Write down. Rainbows are prettier than sailing boats and ships. Okay. Yes. Then what is the third question, children? What is the third question? Yes. According to the poem, between which two places does a rainbow build a road? Which two places, children? A rainbow will build roads between heaven and earth. Correct? Heaven and earth. That are the places where the rainbow will build a road. Okay. Yes, so write down. According to the poem, a rainbow builds a road between heaven and earth. Heaven and the earth. Okay, write down, children. Then fourth question. Oh no, we don't have fourth question. Sorry. Yes. Exercise 3. Read and answer. Yes. Exercise 3. Read and answer. What we have? A smiley compares two different things. For example, we can say a dress is a blue as the sky. Here we are comparing the color. Okay, we are comparing the color of the dress with the sky. Understand? For what? How we are comparing the thing to the other thing. Yes, that is the what differences, right? We are comparing. Now, let us write a poem on rainbows using smileys. A rainbow is as red as what? As red as blood. Yes, blood is red color, correct? So you can write blood. I am not telling that. I will not write on the board, children. You are grade 3 kids, you know the spelling of blood, right? So you will write blood there. Okay, first one. Then as a rainbow is as orange as fire. Yes, fire is orange color. Then a rainbow is yellow as sun. Yes. Then a rainbow is as green as cow will eat that grass. Yes, grass. And a rainbow is a blue as sky. Yes, the sky. Okay, the sky. So I already told the answer. You should write. I will check who all listened, watched the video. Then definitely you will write the answers, right? So you should do it. Okay. Then turn next page, page number 30. Exercise 4. Value-based question judgment appreciation. How do you feel when you see a rainbow? Write a sentence about it. Okay, you should write the sentence about that. How the rainbow will look. How it will look? Yes, we feel joyful if we see that rainbow, right? Yes. So I will write that answer on the board, children. Shall I have the board? Yes, please watch the video and complete it. Yes, answer. First one answer. Exercise 4. Okay. I feel joyful. It makes me jump. Sorry. I feel joyful when we see a rainbow. It makes me jump with excitement. I feel like dancing and singing. I feel lucky that I can see such beautiful colors. Okay, copy down, children. Then next we have second question. What is the second question? Give another title to the poem. Write why you have chosen this title. Yes, why you have chosen this title? You have to give another title for this poem. What you will give? Colorful beauty. Like that also you can give. Okay, I have given the title as colorful beauty. Write it down. Colorful beauty. Okay, this is the title which I have given. Is a title I would give the poem I have chosen A rainbow is made up of 7 colors. 7 colors. It is also very beautiful to look at. Okay. Yes, please copy down children in page number 30. Okay. Next we have speaking task. Show and tell. Bring a picture of anything that you find to be wonderful in nature. For example, trees, flowers, birds, butterfly and animals. Speak a few lines on it. Okay. What you should do? This is a speaking task you have to do children. You have to make a video. This is your homework. Listen carefully. This is your homework. Okay. You have to make one video. You have to collect a few pictures like trees, flowers, birds, butterflies and animals. Okay, any one you can take a picture of that. Okay, you can have one picture in your hand. Then you should say few lines about that. Example, I have taken flower means I will show what is the color of the flower I will show. Then what is the name of that flower I will tell, and where we will get that flower, and by seeing that flower how we feel, like that. Okay, or else any bird you can keep it. Example, kingfisher or any bird, not only kingfisher, or peacock you can take our national bird also. You can tell about that. Peacock is a beautiful, wonderful bird, and when the rain comes it will dance. Yes, and it is having different colors like blue, green, everything mixed color, and it is looking very beautiful, and its voice also it's beautiful, and it is our national bird also. Like that you can say few, at least two to three lines you have to say about the bird or any picture which you are showing. Okay, that you should make a video. Okay, each and everybody should do. This is compulsory children. Otherwise in FA2 I will cut your marks. Okay, so listen carefully. You have to do this homework. Okay, yes. Then we completed this lesson, right children? Yes, we completed. You know children, FA2 is very near. Very near. We have only few days only time. So that's why I am telling. Now itself you should prepare. Don't waste your time. Okay. In this week only you will have a test. Be careful. Okay. So read the poem. Poem definitely oral it will come. Which poem? The Rainbow. Okay. Not rainbow. Sorry children. Not rainbow. I will tell you which. Now only I will not tell the oral for you. You will prepare off. But definitely rainbow I will not give. Okay. Okay. I will not give rainbow. But I will give assignment. Okay, I will give you an assignment. Already we have given you assignment. Yes, like that only I will be giving some assignment for you. That will be included in FA2 test marks. Okay. So what you should do assignment, you have to draw the rainbow. Okay. You should write first, take one A4 sheet. Okay. Then write the poem in the middle. Okay, in the middle. Then give borders. Yes, neatly. Then next to that you can draw the rainbow with the respective colors. What are the correct colors? The rainbow is having 7 colors, right? Violet, indigo, blue, green, like that. So that all colors you have to put it in the respected places. I will check the colors also. Okay. Then you can give a clouds also to that in between. See like this. If you draw the rainbow like this, right children? Then you need to give one dot like this. This is the cloud. Here you can stick the cotton also for cloud. Okay. This and all you can do. How creatively you can do. Okay. Then you can draw one boat also, because we are telling in this poem about boat also, right? You can draw the boat also. Yes. How like this, any boat you can draw. Right. Like that you can draw. Bridge you can draw. Yes. So these all you can draw next to the poem. Okay, only rainbow is not enough. You should draw the boat and other also, bridges and all. Try to do. Okay, this is your assignment. Don't send it in the group, children. This assignment after doing, don't take the pic and send it in the group. Okay, don't send it. Okay, you have to submit this in the FA2. when English subject is there, right? When you are giving all, not only English subject, all the papers you are returning to us, right? At that time you have to return this also. Okay, this assignment also you have to give us. Okay, we will add it in the FA2 marks also. Okay, are you getting? Yes, then we will end up the class. Right? Any doubt is there? Nothing, right? So do the assignment. Okay, now only if you keep ready, in after that it will be very useful for you. Right? That's why now only I am telling. Okay? Do that assignment and keep ready. Okay? Yes, then we will end up the class. We will meet in the next class. Bye.